this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We have Brad back here with us for his 8th and final treatment here this week. He's been being seen twice a day since Monday. And tell him how you've done this week at twice a week, or twice a day for the whole week, 4 days in a row.
It's been great. I've never had chiropractic done like that before. It's usually, once every while. But the twice a day, I feel the difference. It feels like there's immediate results. And I think after these last few days, I just feel taller and more in my zen, I guess, if that makes sense.
Have you accomplished what you came down here to accomplish?
Yeah, absolutely. So I wanted to come here because I wanted to be at my peak performance. I wanted to take away some of the aches and pains I had. I always felt like my hip or my pelvis was off, so you've corrected that. And just, this is, like I said before, my other ones, that the icing on the cake, really making sure I'm working my optimal level.
Okay, great. Let's show them how we're doing that. Let's have you flex your head forward and backwards for me there, Brad. Now this is Brad's final adjustment this week.
Sad to say, yes.
But not mine. Looking pretty good too.
Yes, a lot better than when I first arrived.
Yes, sir. Biomechanics are improving significantly. Okay. Right here.
And I'd say this is the most influential one.
This is the most influential one?
Yeah.
I agree. It's my favorite. I have done on myself. I practice what I preach. I get this done once a week myself.
Oh, cool. Wish I could say that, but I live so far away.
I've had as many as 5 adjustments one day.
At one point in my life, I had a herniated disc, and I did get adjusted like 6 times in one day.
Yep.
And felt a huge amount of relief.
Yep.
So I always tell people, try chiropractic.
Yeah, if you're coming in from out of state or out of the country, we recommend that we see you twice a day, Monday through Thursday. Feel that all the way down?
That was awesome.
Yeah, good.
I look forward to it.
Alright. Okay, let me have you wiggle your left toe. There you go. Yep, crack addict's definitely gonna love you. You can always tell when you get a good adjustment, right? Good. That's what I do too. Just melts away, doesn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's come over here on your tummy. Okay, let's come on your tummy. Brad came all the way down here from Washington, D.C. We've had, how many, 3 or 4 people from Washington, D.C.
Yeah, this week.
Yeah.
You met a couple of them, haven't you?
Yes, I have. The other ones were from Virginia, yeah.
Oh, yeah. There we go. Yes, sir. Mm-hmm. Good deal. One more. There. Okay. Okay, slide down this way. There you go. Nope, a little bit more. You got a heavy head. You must have a lot on your mind. There we go. That's it. Okay, let's turn you on your back now.
One of the other main reasons I came here to see you is because I was really impressed with the hydro hernia manipulation you do.
Uh-huh. And you've had some of that yourself.
Yes, sir.
Slide down this way just a bit and put your arms out like this. And even though we don't treat acid reflux, hydro hernia, or GERD, the disease, we see a lot of our patients coming in that actually suffer with those symptoms. So I am adjusting the subluxations of the spine and the rib cage, putting those back in place, which is, in my opinion, the underlying cause of the weakness in the diaphragm that allows the hiatus to let the stomach slip up through the diaphragm and secrete acid into the esophagus. So we adjust the thoracic spine and rib cage and get to where the diaphragm is a strong dome, and then the hiatus itself strengthens up the sphincter within that dome and holds the stomach down below in the lower cavity where it's supposed to be. There we go. Awesome. I've been adjusting Brad's legs and feet and toes all week this week too. There we go. Okay, slide back up that way. Yep. There we go. Boy, that was a good one. That's the best one we've had on that big toe on that side.
Awesome.
Okay, let's sit you up and face that away. There we go. That's it. Let me have here. There you go.
Big difference when I just give myself.
Yep.
Yeah. I gotta work
Yeah,
on that.
when you buck, makes it harder on you and me. There we go. Okay. Let's go ahead and align your atlas so we can change your proprioception here one more time. Got full range of motion there, my friend.
Yes, it feels
Looking
great.
good, right down the middle. Yep. Just like that. Okay.
Awesome.
Try that again. Very good.
Feels
Looking
great.
good. So what advice would you have for people from out of state thinking about coming to Houston for their chiropractic adjustments twice a day for 4 days in a row?
Don't wait a year and a half or 2 years of watching his videos to put it off. Just make it happen and come here. It's well worth the
Take
travel.
a leap of faith, huh?
Yes, definitely.
Yeah, that's good. Well, thank you for sharing your story with everyone this week, Brad.
Thanks, Doc.
This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.